This is probably one of the saddest videos I have done. It's with regarding to the state of Muslims in Sri Lanka who are at the moment being cremated due to the COVID-19 situation. Now culturally, this is kind of a culture shock where Muslims are not used to it, and it's not only the Muslims, it's the same for Jews, Christians and Muslims who usually bury the crops after they die. By 27th of March 2020, the rule by the WHO was you can cremate and also you can bury. After 3 days, the Sri Lankan authorities said we're going to take burials out of this context and we are only going with cremation. As at today, about 10 Muslims have passed away and their bodies have been cremated, and it has been a tough time for their families. Please pray that this ceases off. When a Muslim dies, there are 4 things which usually has to be done, and as at now that is foregone because of COVID-19. The first thing is that you have to bathe the body. Now because of the COVID-19, that has been taken off. You have to shroud it with a cloth, and because of the authorities and their advice and the WHO's regulation, it is now been put in a polythene bag which is covered, which is not transparent and which is safe. The third is that the body has to be, the prayers have to be said upon the person who dies. So that's called the Salah of Janaza, and that is also now not done the way it used to be. And the fourth one is to bury, and even the fourth one is not happening because of cremation. Everyone in Sri Lanka, scholars, researchers, scientists, doctors have done their best, but so far nothing has happened as at now. The most concerning matter of burying a person after death is a basic human rights for a person. It's a basic need. Even I myself, I do not want to be cremated after I die. That's the biggest fear every Muslim has at the moment in Sri Lanka. And this is not happening even in other countries like India, France, Italy, England, United States, or in Singapore or in China. It has never been taken place. All these countries have permitted burial, except Sri Lanka has not yet paid attention to burial. Is kind of a very alarming thing for all Muslims. So we request everyone to pray and to be very vigilant in what's going on. Take care of your health, because you do not want to at the end of the day get cremated once you've died. Okay, peace.